Hey there, Erica Soba bringing another marketing tip. Let's talk about engagement and how there's two different forms. The first form is okay, so you post a picture or a video on your social media, and then your target audience sees it and they like it, they comment, or they share it. When they do those things, they're engaging with your post or engaging with the content that you're sharing. And that's great. You want that. But it doesn't just stop there. You also need to engage back. You need to respond to that engagement. So, for example, if somebody comments on one of your videos, reply back. Say thank you. And even if it's just an emoji, respond something and do it in a timely manner. If somebody likes one of your posts, it's obviously because they found it valuable, entertaining, or educational. So invite them to like your Facebook business page where you are going to continue to post that valuable, entertaining, educational information, and they'll continue to see it. You're helping them, right? Creating this engagement, this two-way engagement is going to be so important to build that rapport with your target audience and build this loyal following for your brand. I mean, let's be honest here. It doesn't feel good when you wave at somebody and their response that they give you is, nobody likes to be ignored or rejected. It doesn't feel good. So if somebody's going to take time to engage with your content, then you also need to take time to engage with with what they're doing with your posts. It's respect, and there's a lot of benefits to it in the long run. Plus, it helps show your content to more people's news feeds, which is a big bonus. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me for more marketing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.